I can smell you.
Oh. Giati. Hold on.
Yo, can we talk about the mirror?
Red. Why doesn't work?
Hold on. That means we gotta take off the
Oh my
accessory.
god, dude, that's amazing.
No glasses? What glasses did you have? Did you even have glasses? I don't think
Bro,
you had
when
any.
you change the eyebrow height without having eyebrows, it just changes his forehead being super stuck out or not. It's
Alright,
so
hold on.
bad.
What was the here? Let's see.
Seem like a bowl cut type of dude.
Yeah, we're putting this on
What's
him.
about
I don't know if that's what he actually had, but he seemed like that type of dude.
We're putting this on him.
that one fits, let's be honest.
Let's see. Eyebrows. No eyebrows. Let's see.
Oh, nah!
Wait,
What
there
is that,
we go.
abomination?
There we go.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Oh my, Giati.
Ooh.
Yeah. Giatata.
Honestly, at this point, I don't think clothing is necessary.
Do you think caked up or not?
Definitely.
Yeah,
He definitely took.
That's insane. Alright, we're gonna
Wait.
have some boots. Oh!
Jeez!
Yo!
Oh, holy guacamole. The sag and everything, bro, that's elite. Oh.
Can I stab you? Hand
Bro,
the money
dog.
over, buddy.
You're holding it by the blade, that's the funny part.
I know, I saw that with you too. I
Stab him.
can't knife him.
Thank him.
I want to buy this knife.
We
You gotta wait, you dumbass.
Oh,
Stop stepping.
I
It's
Don't
gonna
put
get
it back,
gross.
bro. You can't put it in there.
Oh, hello, sir. Here, let me get this right for you. Yeah. He's eating that raw! Why is it raw? He's eating raw steak!
Alright, man, take this as
Ew.
well, man.
Ew, it's crunchy!
Looks like you liked it, man. Oh! Perfect. $100.
Ooh,
Sell
$100.
the other one. Sell the other one. Keaton, get cooking.
Come on, bruh. Someone who's gonna wash the plates, bruh.
What the?
Get cooking.
Why is it raw? Oh.
The ones that left are already seasoned towards our previous meal.
Why is there just a chicken? They won't know, guys.
Alright. Whoa. What's going on here? Where's our thing? Oh, here it is. Okay, why are the knives just down?
Ask our chef.
Are
Wow,
you
let
ready
me
to
watch
do your
this
job,
game.
bruh?
I don't know what you see. Oh,
Do your job.
hold on. I'm putting the plates back into the deep fryer so they're warm.
Oh. What? Oh wait, this lady wants a steak.
Oh wow, it's almost like I freaking said. Sir, here I have your French fries, sir.
Hey, she needs a steak, bro.
Yeah, well we don't freaking serve steak. And this guy wants chicken. It's almost like I said we have to serve all the recipes.
No.
You didn't say that.
Literally, yes we do.
You didn't say
Bro, I didn't say that. I'm just saying.
that. Bro, why are these kids tossing their trash on the floor?
Yeah, we're about to freaking lose because this woman's not getting anything she wants.
Yeah.
This is
Should've
all
done
our
something about
fault.
it.
Huh? Oh.
I
Just
just
click it
ended
off
that
my
day.
screen.
How do I skip it? Hello? Some chicken. Alright, so.
Bro, I can't get out of this menu anymore.
Oh my god, this game sucks. I'm not playing this crap. It is so
Why
bad.
you got us play it, bro?
Cooking.
Bro's the worst at finding games.
Cooking, man, cooking.
Yeah, see, look what happened to me, bro. All the stuff Keegan and stuff grabbed
Dude,
turned
shouldn't-
into
shouldn't we
this.
just-